Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is audit. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So we have here two definitions of audit. The first one is based on IEEE. So when we say audit, according to them, an independent examination of work, product or set of work products to assess compliance with specifications, standards, contractual agreements, or other criteria. So we have also here the second one based on ANSI or American National Standard Institute. According to them, audit is to conduct an independent review and examination of system records and activities in order to test the adequacy and effectiveness of data security and data integrity procedures to ensure compliance with established policy and operational procedures and to recommend any necessary changes. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is audit is all about based on IEEE definition and ANSI. Thank you for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.